A prophecy with a business plan. Brockton, City of Champions, heart of New England Revolution soccer. This is our time to shine. Brockton, Massachusetts, Plymouth County, the heart of the South Shore. For nearly 150 years, the Brockton Fairgrounds on Belmont Street rang with joy. Horse races, agricultural fairs, demolition derbies, concerts, fireworks, and generations of families making memories together. That same historic ground now holds the promise of a bold new future. This is the city of Rocky Marciano, the undefeated heavyweight champion of the world, the city of marvelous Marvin Hagler, and the birthplace of AJ Dybantsa, one of the brightest young basketball stars in America. Brockton knows how to produce champions, but maybe the next great chapter of Brockton history will not be written through boxing gloves or basketball courts. Maybe it will be written on a soccer pitch. Because soccer already lives here. You can hear it in the neighborhoods, you can feel it in the parks, you can see it in the Cape Verdean community that helped shape Brockton, the South Shore, and all of New England for generations. Brockton is more than a Massachusetts city. To many people, it is the 11th island of Cape Verde. Since the 1800s, New England whaling ships from New Bedford brought Cape Verdean sailors to these shores, searching for opportunity and survival. The historic schooner Ernestina-Morrissey carried generations of immigrants' dreams, culture, and hope between Cape Verde and Massachusetts, and with them came morabeza, warmth, pride, community, and a deep love for soccer. Now, for the first time in history, Cape Verde is playing in the FIFA World Cup, a small island nation standing proudly on the world stage. Now imagine the future. The old Brockton Fairgrounds transformed into Revolution Place. A modern 20,000-seat soccer-specific stadium surrounded by restaurants, sports bars, hotels, apartments, youth soccer fields, live music, and non-stop energy. Cape Verdean eateries serving cachupa and pastel. Drums echoing through the streets. Fans arriving from Boston, Rhode Island, Connecticut, and across New England. A true soccer atmosphere unlike anything else in America, not just for soccer, but for community, for culture, for pride. Imagine the timing. July 4th, America celebrating Independence Day. Then the very next day, July 5th, Cape Verde Independence Day. Two nations, two cultures, one city united together. Because Brockton represents both stories, the American dream and the immigrant journey that helped build it. This vision is bigger than sports. It's economic growth, construction jobs, small businesses thriving, a new energy flowing through Brockton and the South Shore. And today, Mayor Moises Rodriguez represents the continued growth, resilience, and diversity of a city built by hardworking families and immigrant communities. But every great city faces a moment. Stay comfortable or dare to dream bigger. And Brockton has never been a city that stays comfortable. From the decks of the Ernestina docking in New Bedford to Route 28 leading toward Cape Cod, to trains carrying fans from across New England, Brockton stands ready to become the heartbeat of New England soccer. The fairgrounds once gave us summers of joy. Now they can give us a future filled with pride, unity, culture, and roaring crowds. This is more than a stadium. This is Revolution Place. This is Brockton, City of Champions, future home of New England soccer. And through it all, God is in control.
As long as breath in my chest, I give thanks, I do my best.